Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so it's silver and gold time. Let's get straight into it for you old school. Do you know what time it is? So let's have a quick look at what's actually going on right now with the silver and gold market. Firstly, onto the gold market, we can see that I drew a trend line here yesterday and started this point here. We had this resistance. And notice where we actually rejected recently. If I bring up the 3-month chart here, notice how the market ran up and actually hit this trend line where we are right now. And it's sort of pausing there right now. Like that'll be the line through there. So you can see it ran up, rejected it, and pulled back. But we are still squeezing up into this triangle pattern here. So it'll be really interesting to see where it's going to break, or whether we start to break back down, or what's going to happen here. So right now, looking at gold, we're still pretty much stuck in this overall sideways range. We're not really breaking up. We're not really breaking down. So it's looking really, really interesting there. The one thing that I'm really interested in is looking at silver. Look how weak silver looks compared to gold, right? Gold, they're making a similar pattern. So if I delete this off the screen here, right? If I delete that off the screen there, right? They're making a similar pattern. What happened there? There we go. Right, they're making a similar double bottom and a bit of an descending triangle pattern. But look at silver. Look how weak silver looks, right? We had a low, high, low, and we're getting this pullback. Look at how weak this pullback is. Now, when I say weak, a weak pullback, what I mean by that is that we're just slowly going up, right? What is not that sort of, see how they've got weak buyers here? They're struggling. So if we hold here and we get a break down below, I'm not saying we're going to this, guys, but if we do get that and we get a break below this $15 level, then it's game on. So silver is still potentially setting up for a big move, or a nice move on the downside by looking at this silver price here. So, but as you can see, right, what is back here? See how the market's very, 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 what we call vertical action here. Pretty much vertical action here. So, but notice there's no vertical action, right? There's just meh. That's right, technical term, meh. Which means buyers are really, really struggling through here right now. So once again, guys, if we get a very strong sell-off, breaking below the $15 level, then I see $14 coming into silver right now on the short term. Especially this whole last sort of month or so, we're just sort of pretty much been going sideways, right? Pretty much for the entire year. But ever since the last month and a half, we've been really squeezing up, and this pullback here, not really getting a lot of action through here. But if we get a nice close below, we're probably going to head back down and start to test those lows on this chart through here. So let me know what you think in the chat box below. What do you think is going to happen right now on the short term? It'd be really interesting to see what you think. Let me know what you think in the chat box below. Before you go, I am giving away a free trial to the Master Trader Lab with all the different trading courses you can see on the screen right now. So go to mastertraderlab.com right now. I'm running a special over the next few days. So go to mastertraderlab.com to get a free trial to all the different trading courses you can see on the screen right now. So go to mastertraderlab.com.